Good morning. Today is morning, April 27th, 2020.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Now let's review the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So today is Monday, April 27th. Yesterday was Sunday, April 26th, and tomorrow will be Tuesday, April 28th. 28th. The month of the year is still April. In a few more days, it will be May. So let's say it all together. Today is Monday, April 27, 2020. And the weather is partly cloudy. Don't remember to wash your hands, your healthy habit tips. And in today's lesson, you will find a video so you can exercise. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day. Today's agenda. We are going to be working on reading, but don't forget to do your science, math, history, social skills, and to call me if you have any questions. So how are you feeling today? I am feeling happy because it's a new week. Let's get started.